Mga kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko. Ayun Yesto. And for today's episode 20, mga must-try drinks plus mukbang by Jolly Tea Cup. Jolly Tea Cup is the newest premium fruit jams in authentic Taiwanese milk tea shop here in Iloilo City. They also claim all of their drinks contains vitamin C and all of their fruit milk teas are made of natural fruit jams. And they also offer free delivery within Iloilo City Proper for minimum orders. And for their sizes and price, they have small for 59 pesos, for regular, they have 69 pesos, and for large, they have 79 pesos. And just add 10 pesos for pearls or coconut jelly. So Jolly Cup provided you this card for upon your next purchase, just scan this QR code for details and their updates when it comes to their products. And this episode is semi-sponsored by Jolly Cup. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own personal opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga ano, serve here drinks by Jolly Tea Cup. So these are all regular size and nag-add lang po ako ng 10 pesos for pearls or coconut jelly. But if you want mga anos na walang pearls or walang coconut jelly, okay din po. At yung drinks na po dito is my own personal pick at binayaran ko in my own personal expense. And yung remaining 5 drinks po is sponsored by Jolly Tea Cup. And since marami po yung drinks natin, magmukbang po tayo ng French toast made by my brother. So let's start. For our first drink, under Merry Chocolate category, salted caramel for regular size, 69 pesos. So ito yung kanilang salted caramel. Masarap siya, tapos on point yung salted caramel na hinanap ko. Hindi siya masyadong matamis, saktong-sakto yung flavor niya. And for the pearls nila, sobrang lambot niya at sobrang dami. For a second drink, under Cherry Classics, their matcha for regular size, 69 pesos. Ito yung kanilang matcha. Yung una nag-stand out talaga sa akin, yung matcha essence niya. Yung hinahanap ko na lapuyot feel, yung thickness. For our third drink, under Happy Fruits, their Wintermelon for regular size, 69 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Wintermelon. Sakto yung Wintermelon tea essence. Nandun siya, right on point. For our fourth drink, under Happy Fruits, their Blueberry for regular size, 69 pesos. Yung kanilang Blueberry, naging true sila when it comes to fruit jams. At very accurate sila. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung fruit jam essence na hinahanap mo, especially if you're not a big fan of milk tea. For our next drink, under Happy Fruits, Mango for regular size, 69 pesos. Nandun talaga yung fruit jam na trademark ng Jolly Tea Cup. At the same time, meron silang your mango tidbits. So far sa lahat po ng drinks nila, thumbs up talaga ako. Ina-clear ko na po yung lahat na sponsored drinks nila. Next po yung drinks na personal pick ko at binayaran ko in my own personal expense. Is their Kiwi for regular size, 69 pesos. Napa-amaze talaga ako sa kanilang Happy Fruits. Consistency ng natural flavor for their fruit jams. Yung Kiwi, sobrang smooth niya sa akin kasi well-balanced siya at well-complement siya sa lahat ng ingredients na ginagamit. For our next drink, under Happy Fruits, is their Taro for regular size, 69 pesos. Ang sarap. For this drink, yung taro sweetness niya, nandun siya. At the same time, yung fruit jam niya, on point siya. Grabe. Ngayon ko lang na-appreciate fruit jam, especially for this drink. For our next drink, under Happy Fruits, this is their strawberry for regular size, 69 pesos. Para talaga siyang Dutch milk or yogurt. Gumagamit talaga sila ng pure and natural fruit jams na sobrang healthy at sobrang sarap. For our last drink, under Happy Fruits, is their coconut for regular size, 69 pesos. Ito yung kanilang coconut. Expect ko sweet siya, pero ito hindi. Parang faint taste yung sweetness niya. Yung kanyang coconut essence nandun. Okay, for rating manos, for salted caramel, I'll give this a perfect 10. For matcha, I'll give this a perfect 10. Wintermelon, I'll give this a 9. For blueberry, I'll give this a perfect 10. For mango, I'll give this a perfect 10. For kiwi, I'll give this a perfect 10. Taro, I'll give this a perfect 10. For strawberry, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for coconut, I'll give this a 9. So when it comes sa kanilang delivery and service, thumbs up talaga ako sa kanila kasi very accommodating. Tapos nagre-respond sila upon delivering your drinks. Nakaseal talaga siya at nakasecure sa isang malaking container, especially for bulk orders. Also, yung maganda sa Jelly Teacup, provide me their menus. You see, also gave me this card. Sila pa lang ata yung may ganito, yung Milktea shop na merong QR code for their Facebook page. Yung drinks nila, may nakalagay na name, flavors, and for their sinkers. On each category po, meron talaga nakalagay na it's either pearls na nilagay or fruit jam, and also kung coconut jelly po yung nilagay for your sinkers. And they also have sugar level, none, less, or full. Ito sa kanilang Wintermelon, siguro ma-adjust lang konti yung sweetness. Okay na sa akin. Perfect na siya. Ito yung kanilang coconut. Siguro sa akin, yung aftertaste niya, nawala na yung coconut flavor or coconut essence na I was looking for. But overall, for their drinks, kahit anong categories nila, sobrang sarap. Tapos sobrang na-enjoy ako. Jelly Teacup maintains their good service, budget-friendly, good quality, and a drinking nose standards approved. Thank you so much, Jelly Teacup, for all your efforts and for time sa pag-prepare ng drinks and for trusting Drinking Nose to feature your products on my channel. So I hope na ma-feature or ma-invite nyo po ako ulit for taste test reviews or for your new products. So thank you so much, Jelly Teacup. Congratulations! Thank you for watching, mga Nos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesse saying, keep safe and bye!